Okay, so this is gonna be really quick. Why you have to say that? It's gonna be really quick. This is just a few items I picked up from HomeGoods. So I got some small ice cubes. It's 2 trays. And I think this was only $3.99. So better than Amazon prices. So I picked up those. And let me see. Can you see what I'm doing? I want you guys to be able to see. I don't know, I have this in here, but I'm about to fill that up with something. So, yeah. I found this tray, and I thought this would be really, really cute for like my lighter. And I'm probably gonna buy a new lighter. My lighter and my wick cutter. And so it was just $10, and I picked that up from HomeGoods. I didn't get much in there at all because I wasn't even in there for this. I was in there for other reasons. I also got this little container, which I think I'm gonna put my pumpkin seeds in and put that on my counter. And everywhere. I got another basket tray. My daughter won't give me back the bunny basket. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I want it back, but she won't give it back to me. Shh. So I picked up another tray. It's just a round one. Just a round tray. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this just yet. I don't think I want it in here. I think I want to get a bigger one. Let's see how this would look if I was to put some stuff in here. You're gonna break? You're gonna break? Is it that I'm just too rough? Is that what that is? Like, because this basket is so high, you can't really see what's in it, right? Alright? You can't really see what's in it, so how does that look? I mean, it's cute, but you can't really see what's in it. It's just like stuff is in it, but you can't see it. So I think I'm gonna just keep this for my bedroom for right now until I can get a tray that I love for in here that I can change out every so often. Because you can't really see what's in that tray at all. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna put my stuff back in here. And yeah, that's all I did. I just picked up 4 pieces, to be honest. This jar, this tray, and this tray. And then I have this jar that I got from IKEA a few weeks back that has my kids' Easter candy still in it. And so what I was gonna do was I was gonna fill this one up with pumpkin seeds, and then this one up with pea noodles, because that's all we eat is pasta. But I'm thinking, is the pasta gonna be like stale if you put it in there? I'm so OCD, so it's like I'm talking myself out of that idea. Alright guys, so I'll show you what I do with these items at the end of the video. If you guys can see. I love HomeGoods, but the only thing I can say about them is that the way they actually put their stickers on the worst place. I don't know what's wrong with putting the sticker at the bottom. Like, I physically don't know why you cannot put the sticker at the bottom of the thing. Like, what is gonna happen if you do that? What is gonna physically happen to it if you put the sticker there? So I just washed these out and I'm just drying them. Again, I got this one from IKEA. I was there and I was looking around because I'm about to do my closet soon. Okay, so both of those jars are clean. You can barely see because they're and I cleaned the lids. I don't know why I keep buying this wood stuff, but at some point I need this stuff to go out of style because it has becoming, it's addictive. Right? It's kind of addictive. Okay, so we're gonna pour this in here. We don't know how this is gonna turn out. We eat tons of it, so the jar is really being put to use. My only thing is my OCD gonna keep me from using what's in the jar. And am I just gonna go buy, I'm dropping it. Am I just gonna go buy more boxes and just leave the jar for decoration? Because I do have OCD real bad. Let's hope this goes all the way. Okay. Then we can close it up, hopefully. We want to be able to close it because, again, keeping it fresh is important. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I can take some out. I just want it to go all the way down. It's just pasta, you guys. Pasta is dirt cheap. Okay, so that's better. And so you can see that. I think that looks good, right? And so we also have the pumpkin seeds, which I don't know if you guys ever have pumpkin seeds cooked for you. The best. Okay? So, we definitely don't want to waste these because we actually, everything here, I eat tons of it. Pumpkin seeds. The pumpkin seeds are expensive. They're $3.99 a bag. So these jars aren't not gonna get filled all the way, and I'm okay with that because we're not gonna eat that many. It doesn't take that many to feed humans. I like this because this actually seals really, really good. Like, I like the way that this seals. I like it. You can tell that that's a good seal. Unlike this IKEA one, it's not that good of a seal. Okay, so everything is a mess. And I'm just gonna clean this up so you guys can see, okay? So I do love the way that that turned out. Pumpkin seeds, so you guys can see them up close. I wish I can let you guys try it. It's really good. That's why. It's a really, really good dish. Okay. So in today's video, I'm just doing a reset of the house. Just getting everything clean, which I do normally every week anyway. But right here, I'm just restocking paper. I hate when it runs out. I think my OCD is getting worse, which is not good for me because then I just start buying things and having more than I need. But it's nothing wrong with keeping a nice healthy supply of things. At least that's what I'm gonna tell myself. So if you're interested in just watching me clean up and just make sure everything gets organized, just stay tuned for that. So my room is a mess because we were out the fam. I have dirty clothes on the floor, stuff everywhere, so this is just going to be like a reset. So my favorite soap is Dove. I like the sensitive one, but for some reason it's always sold out, so I had to get what we could. So yeah, I'm just going to stock this up, and I need to like organize my basket. So quick tip to keep your life more organized, it's just best to go ahead and put things away as soon as you get them, whether it's new clothes, dirty clothes, dishes, cooking, organizing, making your bed. It's just best to take care of it beforehand, and then you can relax after. So I just like kind of organize it because I don't like for the soap bars to show. I don't like the things to show in here, so I just organize it so things won't show. Take these out now. I don't really do with them, but I'm taking them out of here. Alright. So I think this is a good time to bring up the duvet issue that I have. Duvets are just too much work. Linen duvets, extremely too much work. I'm a neat freak, and this is too much work for me. And so I'm going back to my traditional, nice quilted cover because that's all I need. I need a traditional quilted cover. I don't care about the fluff, the puff, the hotel looking things. It's just, see, I'm ranting. It's a lot of work, especially the linen. It's a lot of work. I don't know what's going on with my pillows, but they not being treated nicely down here. It's not being treated nice. So let me just bring y'all over. You definitely want to start with you probably can't see from here. So you definitely want to get you a mattress protector. This will just keep the longevity of your mattress from sweat, any type of soiling of your mattress. So definitely a mattress protector is necessary to have, and then you can put your clean sheets on from there. So I am a vacuum and Swiffer girl. I don't know where this girl comes from. I used to be a broom girl, but no more. Yeah, so I just vacuum and Swiffer because there's nothing but dust on the floor and maybe a little bit of hair shedding or something because everyone leaves their shoes at the front door. No exceptions. As for my sheets, it takes all day. So you can see it was sunny when I started and then it started to get dark. And I do like to shower before I actually make up my bed. My bed is the last thing I do in the evening because I like to be clean on my sheets or near my sheets. I just think germs travel on your clothes. When COVID was around, I was taking my clothes off at the front door. Now COVID is gone and I still just want to make sure I'm clean before I start to, mess with my bed. So I'm in my robe and I'm just making my sheets. Believe it or not, I do this every night. I have to be literally out of it not to do this, and I'm never out of it. I do this every night. I don't feel comfortable if I don't do this. And one night I found a $100 bill in the bed. It wasn't mine, but I found a $100 bill in the bed. So it's kind of good. You never know what you can find. I could have kept that $100, but I'm blessed. So yeah, I turn my sheets down every night. It's just something my mom taught me. You just never know what's under your sheets, what could be in your bed, a spider, whatever. You just want to make sure everything is nice and fresh and feels so good. You can do this in the morning before you leave, but because there's people in my bed in the morning, sometimes I just do this before I go to bed. So my life isn't perfect. I do not make up my bed every morning. I have a busy life. I have to get my kids out to school. So I do this for myself as a treat in the evening. So I'm just moving my couch back. I was trying to adjust the rug underneath. For some reason on video my couch looks like a love seat, but it's 96 inches. It's a huge couch and it's heavy as all outdoors. But for some reason, I don't know. I guess because my place is so narrow, everything looks so tiny. And it really isn't at all. Yeah. So right now I'm just putting everything back and I'm just going to go ahead and clean my living area, my kitchen area for right now. Next week is Mother's Day weekend, and so I'm just trying to get the house nice and tidy. And also, yeah, I have some curtains coming. I have some other things coming, so stay tuned for that.
extremely clean. I can burn my candles. This is my favorite part of my cleaning process. It just sets the tone and the smell is amazing. And so I go throughout the whole entire house and I burn candles. I like everything to be pitch black at night. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this Sunday reset.